Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me, Penny Kurniawan with register number 2010920046 from ME to B class Information Management Study Program Majoring in Information Technology, Politeknik Negeri Padang. I will explain some material to complete the English UTS to assignment, namely Number one, program computer and computer. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. You might already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. You can also use it to edit or create spreadsheet, presentation, and event videos. Therefore, the things are common to a computer. The earliest computer were made out of wood and metal with mechanical levers and gears. By the 20th century, computers started using electrical components. These early computers were really large and really slow. A computer the size of a room might take hold just to do a basic math problem. Computers started or a basic calculators with was already really awesome at the time, and they were only manipulation numbers back then, but now we can use them to talk to each other. We can use them to play games and many other. Modern computers look nothing like those clunky and machines, but they still do the same four things. Number one, input. Your keyboard and mouse, for example, are just input units ways of getting information into your computer that it can process. Number two, memory or storage. Your computer probably stores all your documents and files on a hard drive, a magnetic memory. Number three, processing. Your computer processor, something you know as the central processing unit, is microchip buried deep inside. Number four, output. Your computer probably has a LCD screen capable of display high resolution, very detailed graphics, and probably also stereo loudspeaker. Number two, be set on percentage. What what are the difference between noun and adjective? Answer. Function. Noun are names for people, place, things, and ideas, while adjectives are words used to describe these nouns. Noun function as the subject or object of a sentence, and adjective modifies a noun. That is, it provides more detail about a noun. This can be anything from color to size to temperature to personality. Adjectives usually occur just before the nouns they modify. Example, the generator is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Position. Noun can be used anywhere in a sentence. Adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they modify, but when used with linking verb, such as forms of to be or sense verb, they are placed after the verb. Type common noun. Common nouns are nouns that have a general meaning. of to determine it. This word is not specific and is generally written in large case. It's the opposite of a proper noun. Here, example, I'm from that village. Proper noun are nouns that are specific. It used to thoroughly refers to the name of a place or things. The main characteristic of using location is written using capital letters. Is example, I want to go to Gramedia to buy book from that village. Noun consists of type if this distinguished from the calculation, namely countable nouns and countable nouns. The first type is used when you want to make a sentence with a countable noun. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is one type of adjective that refers to quality. It uses varies depending on whether it is an object or something else. To better understand it, take a look at the example below. She is a girl. She is a keen girl. Number two, quantity adjective. In addition to the adjective of quality, there is also an adjective of quantity that focuses on nominal goods and pronouns. However, generally it is only an example that majority of users use the word all, many, no, few, and some. Here are some examples. All of them played volley at school last night. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity is an adjective that refers to the quantity. Her adjectives are explained so correctly with the aim of providing information or information. Number three, feature current. Number one, web developer. A web developer is the person responsible for the building and maintenance of a website, because a website is often an organization's primary public-facing property. It's important for a web developer to understand business needs and how to build cities that accommodate them. Number two, computer software engineer. Conversely, computer software engineers focus their work on designing and developing software used to control computers by utilizing the principles of computer science and mathematical analysis. Number three, network architect. Network architect use their background in networking technology to access business and application requirements for phone, data, and internet system for all organizations. Number four, system engineer. This expands text position requires the ability to communicate complex information to technical and non-technical users, really on an in-depth knowledge of the technology in use. I was as well and as advanced analytical troubleshooting and design skill. Number four, laptop buying tips good. Number one, select the size operation system. Expand Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Number two, laptop based on CPU. Number three, determining RAM memory capacity. Number four, choose SSD or HDD. Number five, battery capacity. Number six, check webcam specification. Number seven, quality keyboard on quality keyboard and touchpad. Number 8, check number or port. Number 9, check screen specification. Number 10, choose the size and shape of the laptop. Number 11, choose the best laptop brand. Number 12, choose the right and trusted place to buy. Number 13, adjust to the existing budget. Number 5, network. Network is a relationship between two or more computers that communicate with other simultaneously and can also exchange information or data and share hardware such as printer and other peripherals. Number 6, comment about success according to Steve Jobs, personal meaning of success and how to achieve it. The case to success according to Steve Jobs, the first is with what we like. If we love something we do, then the result will not disappoint. We must know what passion is within us. Secondly, stay highly foolish. Is motivation for him because the meaning of the sentence is still hungry for knowledge and staying feel foolish and stocks is actually we already have a lot of knowledge. The third remembering is that as humans, of course, we cannot predict when death will come to us. This is what Steve Jobs always remembered in carrying out his work, so that every time he looks in the mirror in the morning, he is always looking for what he is looking for can be. Opinion, the meaning of success, in my opinion, can be said to be successful not only about how much money you have, how high your position or popularity is, but how to respond to a life filled with gratitude, happiness, and benefit for others. A successful strategy is first careful planning. Life without planning is like living without a clear purpose. Second, master of competence or talent, because competence or talent possessed by a person is a form of intelligence that has its own unique value. Of course, one person cannot be between or one person and other, and person strategy when recognizing his talents is to try to hone and develop his talent. The third is to make failure as motivation. For example, Steve Jobs even thought he was fired from the Apple company, which is the company he was one of the founders. From that he kept trying and finally he created a product called Next, which was used them back to Apple. And the last one was prior, because they understand the composition after composition. The composition they have honestly and sportsmanship and of course the relentless prayer to find a way of ease and be blessed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. That's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistake. I will and it will. It with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.